Hi, this is Jack, and welcome to this video on stock investment for beginners. Investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your money and achieve your financial goals, and it's never too early to start. In this video, we'll discuss the basics of stock investment, including what it is and how to get started. We'll also provide some tips for beginner investors and talk about the benefits and risks of investing in stocks. First, let's define what stock investment is. Simply put, stock investment involves buying shares of a company's stock in the hopes that the company will perform well and the value of the stock will increase. When a company does well, its stock price may rise, and investors can sell their shares for a profit. In addition to the potential for capital gains, stock investors may also earn passive income in the form of dividends, which are payments made to shareholders from the company's profits. For example, let's say you're interested in investing in a well-known technology company like Apple. You might decide to buy 100 shares of Apple stock at $200 per share. If the company's stock price increases to $300 per share, you could sell your shares for a profit of $10,000. 100 shares multiply the $100 profit per share. In addition to the potential for capital gains, Apple also pays dividends to its shareholders, so you could also earn passive income from your investment. Now that you know what stock investment is, let's talk about how to get started. The first step is to open a brokerage account, which is a type of account that allows you to buy and sell stocks. There are many brokerage firms available, so it's crucial to research and find one that fits your needs and budget. Some popular brokerage firms for beginner investors include Charles Schwab, E*TRADE, and Robinhood. Once you have a brokerage account set up, you'll need to start researching potential investments. This may include looking at a company's financial statements, reading news articles about the company, and considering the company's competitive landscape. It's also important to diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of different types of stocks and sectors, rather than putting all your money into just one or two companies. This can help mitigate the risk of investing in a single company or sector. By the way, if you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You will find more videos. While investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your money over the long term, it's important to remember that there are also risks involved. Stock prices can be volatile, meaning they can fluctuate significantly in a short period of time. This means that there's a chance you could lose money if you sell your shares when the price is low. To mitigate this risk, it's important to diversify your portfolio and do thorough research before making any investment decisions. It's also a good idea to have a long-term investment horizon, as stocks tend to perform better over the long term compared to shorter time frames. So, what are some tips for beginner investors just starting out in the stock market? First, it's important to start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time you'll have for your money to potentially grow. It's also important to educate yourself and stay up to date on financial news and market trends. There are many resources available online, including educational videos, articles, and courses that can help you learn more about investing. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. If you have questions or need guidance, consider speaking with a financial advisor who can provide professional advice tailored to your specific financial goals. In conclusion, investing in stocks can be a great way for beginners to grow their money and achieve their financial goals. It's never too early to start, and by educating yourself and seeking out resources, you can make informed investment decisions that can help you achieve financial success. Just remember to diversify your portfolio, do thorough research before making any investment decisions, and consider consulting with a financial advisor if you have questions or need guidance. Don't forget to subscribe and watch our next video about investing that will show up now. We hope this video has been helpful and has sparked your interest in stock investment. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best of luck on your investment journey.